Unit 26. Unit 26. Old and new. So we are coming to look at the difference between old and new. Okay. Other, new, many, nice. What do you see in the picture? What do you see in the picture? So this is a picture of an old house and then a new house. So if you look at this structure here, it is not looking nice at all. If you look at this one, it is looking beautiful with people sitting in front of it. Okay, now let's come to the passage. These are two houses. These are two houses. One house is old. One house is old. The other one is new. The other one is new. The old house is not nice. The old house is not nice. The new house is very nice. The new house is very nice. Nobody lives in the old house. Nobody lives in the old house. Many people live in the new house. Many people live in the new house. Is the old house nice? Is the old house nice? No, it is not nice. Is the new house nice? Yes, it is very nice. Okay, so I have put in the answers for you. Is the new house nice? Yes, it is very nice. So you can write the yes, it is very nice and send it in the comment section below. There are many people in the new house. There are many people in the new house. There are no people. There are no people in the which house? Are there not any people there? So you put the answer here in the comment section below. This is Unit 26.